We're here at Mobile World Congress at the Huawei Pavilion, and I'm here specifically with Mr. Pakpong, Mr. Akinawan.
Yes.
Thank you. Who's CTO of True, and you're one of the largest operators in Thailand.
Yes.
Can you tell me what opportunities you see in the mobile market there?
Right now in Thailand, we just go into the 4G environment. At the end of last year, the government just given the license out for all the operators to do the 4G. And we are lucky that we start 4G two years ago.
That is good.
Yes. So the environment now is more competitive in terms of the 4G mobile.
And what are some of the challenges, and specifically I know that you've worked with Huawei to try to overcome some and develop some competitive advantage.
Yes,
in the marketplace.
the challenge we have is that we have to try to persuade customers to move to 4G because we invest already on the network, but somehow Thai people are they have to change the handsets,
Right.
first of all, right? They have to change the SIM as well in order to enjoy the 4G. So we need to find a way that try to get as much as we can for the subscriber to move to 4G. So that's the big challenge.
And is there a data analytics challenge as well? My understanding is that as you're trying to communicate more of the new services to your customers, that you've been working to collect as much data that you can then use to promote new things, new services to them.
Yes, we have our big data that we gather all the information, the terminal type, the users' behaviors, the locations where they are, and try to analyze that and try to pinpoint where is our target customer. And that's after that we use that to give them the right propositions, right package to pull them in to the 4G.
And how has that improved? How long have you been doing significant data analysis on the customer data that's coming in?
Actually, the big data we start more than a year that we try to analyze the customers. But in terms of the real system that we can do real-time detections of the handsets. For example, we give them the package that if they use 4G handsets, they're going to get something more. Right?
Okay.
So that case, we need to be able to real-time detect whether they actually use 4G handsets or not. So that's where the DSP from Huawei give us the solutions.
Right. And has that helped you also better monetize your customers? Are you getting new revenue streams from some of that data analysis? And
Yes, of
promotion?
course. For example, we got to get more recharge from the customer. Thai people mostly are on the prepaid. So in that case, we given them more benefits in doing the recharge. So they recharge the money often.
Right.
So that's what
And
we
do you see additional opportunities with big data and data analytics going forward beyond what you're doing today?
Hopefully we will see more of the advertisement. So that's the new things in Thailand for the mobile advertisement. So that might be a new opportunity in the near future.
Excellent. Well, and last, what are you doing at the show here this year, and what are you looking for as well at Mobile World Congress?
So that's normal. Just looking for the new trends.
Yes.
Yeah.
The next big thing.
The next big things.
The next big thing. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I very much appreciate the time.
Yeah, thank you very much.